Welcome back to Top Moments TV and non-stop action. Today we will take you on a journey through the entire process of heavy truck transportation and felling of giant trees to woodworking. Get ready for some epic scenes and amazing machinery. You really think there was some magic? Oh no, it was a truck carrying wood that overturned on the road. The driver tried very much, but he couldn't avoid the disaster. Oh no, a tractor truck that was carrying wood through a field was sunk in by a magic phenomenon.
Mandei ela arrochar que ela nem mexeu não.
Oh my god, it's unbelievable. The wooden bridge could not bear this excessive weight. On the winding mountain pass, the massive timber truck is slowly climbing the slope, creating an impressive scene in the middle of the vast mountains and forests. The roar of the engine, each time echoing throughout the mountainous area. Behind the vehicle, large logs seem to be heavy, waiting to pull the vehicle back. The image of a timber truck climbing the slope not only shows hardship and difficulty but also brings a sense of perseverance and endurance in the face of all challenges of nature and life. Komatsu 911 is one of the modern and powerful logging machines. Designed to meet the needs of working in deep forest environments, where the terrain is often rough and difficult to access. The first thing that impresses about Komatsu 911 is its strong and sturdy appearance. The crane system of Komatsu 911 is a notable highlight. In particular, this cutting head has the ability to rotate 360 degrees, making the work more flexible and precise. Have you ever stood in front of a giant tree and wondered what secrets it has kept for centuries? Sometimes, those secrets are eroded and rotted by time, but nothing can obscure their greatness. When the moment comes, the resounding roar of chainsaws blends with the powerful sound of giant logging machines. In that place, the smallest mistake can cost you your life. But that is what makes it so irresistible. Each fallen tree not only carries a huge weight, but also tells a story, leaving a gap that opens up new opportunities for the green forest to revive. Early in the morning, the tractor began its journey, heading straight into the winding muddy road. The engine roared, as strong as the wind howling in the deep forest, rolling up the thick mud underfoot. Each rotation of the wheels seemed to tear the ground apart, splashing mud on both sides. The road ahead was full of challenges. After a while of struggling, the tractor finally made it through the muddy road to the assembly area.
I'm sure it'll end up on somebody's MySpace page.
Seems this house is unlucky. The Rotochopper B66 wood crusher is a modern industrial equipment. Designed to process and recycle wood into valuable products such as sawdust, wood chips, or biofuel, the Rotochopper B66 is equipped with a high-power engine system, usually from 755 to 1050 horsepower, helping the machine operate effectively even when processing large volumes of wood. The highlight of the Rotochopper B66 wood crusher is the modern dust and noise treatment system. In general, the Rotochopper B66 is not only a production support device, but also a testament to the remarkable progress of wood recycling technology. The Komatsu 825's crane system is an impressive highlight, especially with the cutting head that can rotate 360 degrees. This design not only increases accuracy but also brings optimal flexibility, turning difficult jobs in the deep forest into a display of strength and technology. Behind, giant logs are piled up like heavy giants, challenging the resilience of the machine as it stretches itself across each meter of road. The truck, loaded with heavy timber, slid down the steep slope. Huge bundles of timber stacked high, swaying on the bed as if about to fall. The brakes screeched loudly. The wheels skidded on the slick road. The entire vehicle shook violently, like a giant beast writhing before losing control. In an instant, the entire vehicle tilted, then flipped over into the ditch beside the road with a deafening sound. The Nasola 555C is a modern and versatile forestry equipment, which stands out for its ability to handle forest trees efficiently and accurately. The highlight of the Nasola 555C is the super sharp clamp and cutting blade. The working capacity of the Nasola 555C is really impressive. It can perform many different tasks. Stump cutters are powerful and modern equipment, widely used in agriculture and forestry. Stump cutters are usually equipped with powerful engines, running on gasoline or diesel, allowing them to cut through the toughest tree stumps. Overall, stump cutters are a testament to the advancement of science and technology in agriculture and forestry. Bandit Beast 4680 wood chipper is an important equipment in the wood processing industry. Used to process excess wood or waste into small wood chips. These wood chips can be used as raw materials for paper production, wood pellets, or as organic fertilizer. The guy was very awesome at but skillfully bringing the branches down to the ground safely. One small wrong movement could have been dangerous to people around. Wood on the edge of this lumberjack. Precision is unparalleled, but there is a mistake. Movement and gravity control. The forest is not just a workplace but a tree saw. A battlefield with high stakes of skill and serious courage. You can't pay me enough to take on such jobs. For those who can, absolutely. Wow, impressive, the truck made it. Up that treacherous slope with a little help from some serious machinery, I mean. Fasten your seatbelts, you are about to see the future of forestry in action. These machines are not only fast but are redefining efficiency, precision combined with power like never before has there been a revolution here. Wood on the edge of this lumberjack. Precision is unparalleled, but there's a mistake. Movement and gravity control. The forest is not just a workplace. It's a tree saw. A high-stakes battleground of skill and serious courage. You can't pay me enough to take on jobs like that. For those who can, absolutely. Oh my god, I can't believe the wooden bridge withstands the weight of the pickup truck. I was breathless watching this scene. Thank you for joining us on this epic event. At Top Moments TV, we always bring you amazing images of powerful machines in action. If you love these moments, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting videos. We will be back with more exciting things. See you next time.